Good afternoon, friends. My name is Pranay Gundagi. Today we will learn a numericals on illumination engineering. So let's start. A room of size 20 meter and width 10 meter is to be illuminated by 8 lamps. Average illumination is expected to be 50 lumens per meter square. Taking DF of 1.2, UF of 0.48, calculate MSCP of each lamp. So in this numerical, area is given and here you have to calculate the MSCP of each lamp. So let us start. So first write down the given data. So here given a room of size 20 meter, that means area is given. So here area, that means A, is equal to 20 into 10, okay, meter square, is to be illuminated by 8 lamp. That means number of lamp is given. Number of lamp here, number of lamps is equal to 8. Then average illumination is expected to be 50 lumens per meter square. That means illumination is given. So here I can write average illumination capital E. Illumination is denoted by letter E. So illumination is given as 50 lumens per meter square. Lumens per meter square. Okay. Then taking DF. DF is also given. So DF means depreciation factor. So DF is equal to 1.2. Then UF utilization factor. So utilization factor is equal to 0.48. So DF and UF is given. So DF is 1.2 and UF is 0.48. So calculate MSCP of each lamp. So calculate, you have to calculate the MSCP of each lamp. So MSCP means mean spherical candle power. Mean spherical candle power is equal to the lumens produced upon 4 pi. Lumen produced upon 4 pi. So first you have to calculate the value of lumen produced. Then after that you can calculate the value of MSCP. So here illumination is given. Illumination is given. So write down the formula of illumination. So here illumination E is equal to the lumens utilized upon area. So illumination is equal to the lumens utilized upon area. So illumination is given, it is 50. So 50 is equal to the lumens utilized to the area. Area is given 20 into 10. So 20 into 10. So solve this. So lumens utilized is equal to the, multiply this value, that means 50 into 20 into 10. So we get 10,000. And unit of lumen utilized is lumens. And unit of lumen utilized is lumens. So from the formula of illumination, we get the value of lumen utilized. Now, from this value, lumen utilized, we can easily calculate the value of lumen produced. So lumens produced is equal to the lumens utilized into, here lumen produced is equal to the lumen utilized into df upon uf, df upon uf. So here put the value. So lumen utilized is 10,000 into DF is 1.2 and UF 0.48. So solve this. So when we solve this, 10,000 into 1.2, 0.48, we get 25,000. We get the value 25,000, and unit of lumen produced is lumens. So here is the answer of lumen produced. Now from this value, we can calculate the value of MSCP. So MSCP is equal to the lumen produced is now 25,000 divided by 4 pi. So when we solve this, that means 25,000 to the 4 pi, we get 1989. We get 1989.43. So MSCP is equal to the 1989.43. But this value is for all lamps. That means number of lamps are 8. So this value MSCP is for all lamps 8. But in numerical, you have to calculate the value of MSCP for each lamp, for a single lamp. So you have to just divide this value by number of lamp. So here MSCP of each lamp is equal to the MSCP for all lamps divided by the number of lamps. So MSCP's values for all lamp is 1989.43 to the number of lamp. Number of lamp is given 8. There are total 8 lamps. So when we solve this, 1989.43 divided by 8, we get 248.67. 248.67. So this is the your final answer.